Hey, what's up, everybody? So Dave just hit me up a couple hours ago, and he actually called me, and he wanted to tell me that his scripts just found this crazy match on the World Trade Center visit by Jim and Lina on August 13th, 2001. This is 29 days before the September 11th attacks, and you have to go to, it's Lina's cuticle on her left hand, I believe on her index finger, and it's at 237 right here. When he pans to Lina, while she's sitting on the chair, watch what happens.
Yeah.
Right here. Do you guys see that? Let's watch it again. Watch her left hand on her first finger. Boom. There it is. That's the match that Dave found. Let's go back a little bit. And it's right there. Her cuticle on her left hand on that finger. And that's the match that Dave found, and I just want to make this video to tell the world because this is fucking crazy. Okay, so let's save this to your desktop. This cuticle hex value, it's right there. Let me double check with Dave real quick. 1 second, be right back. Okay, yeah, so the hex value is F3C 3A6. So let's put this into our Gem Fighter 9000. Alright, so I opened up Gem Fighter 9000, I pasted that hex code in there, and then we're going to do ASCII characters WTC for World Trade Center, because at that time, those people, they actually didn't know what was going to happen. We're just using WTC because that's the building that they're physically in. That's what Dave told me, and so click on convert and update, and then boom, let's find our gems. Okay, so for our first one, we have to go to division, and we're going to be using 2 plus 2 plus 2, and that's going to be 6. And then we're going to add 3 characters for WTC, and that's going to be 9, and that's going to represent September. And then to find 11, we have to go to division right here, and we're going to be using 84 minus 67, the ASCII codes for TNC. And so we do 84 minus 67, that's going to give us 17, and we're going to minus the after division for the R value and the G value. So minus 2, and then we're going to do for the B value right there, minus 2, and that's going to give us 11. So that's going to be the day. So we have 9, 11 so far. For the year 2001, we need to go to the modulus operator right here, and we're going to be doing 69 times, or excuse me, I'm sorry, we're going to be doing 27 times 67, which is the ASCII code for C. So 27 times 67, that's going to give us 1809, and then we're going to add the G value right here in the decimal RGB, so plus 195. And that's going to give us 2004, and then we're going to minus 3 because there's 3 characters in WTC, and that's going to give us the year 2001. Okay, so let's find some of our letters. The first one is under division, and we're going to be getting 67, which is the capital C in ASCII, and then we're going to plus 3 because there's 3 characters in WTC, and that's going to equal 70, and then we're going to minus 2 from that, and that's going to equal 68 in ASCII. So let's write that down, and then for this one we have to go to subtraction, and we're going to be using the R value, which is 156, and we're going to be minus 111 from that, so that's going to give us 45 in hex. So we could do that right here, 156 minus, and that's going to be 45 in hex. And our third character, we need to go to division, and it's going to be 67, capital C in ASCII, and we're going to be minus, and we're going to minus 2 from that, which is going to be 65 in ASCII, and that's going to be our third character. And then for our fourth character, we need to go to modulus, and we're going to be getting the capital T ASCII code, which is 84, and we're going to minus 27 from that. So 84 minus 27, that's going to give us 57. And then we're going to minus 3 from this because there's 3 characters in WTC, and that's going to be 54 in hex. And then for our 5th character, we just got to go to the modulus operator. We're already there. And we're going to be using 84, which is the capital T value right here, and then minus 27. Oh, my bad. We already did that. Holy cow. I apologize. Let's go to our last character. So it's going to be division, and we're going to be using 243, which is the R decimal RGB value. So 243, and we're going to minus 195 because that's the G value. And that's going to give us 48 in hex. So let's type that in. Okay, so let's copy and paste our gems in the visualizer, ASCII visualizer. Okay, 3, 2, 1.